Okay, so here we are. We'll just take a walk around here, just kind of see what we got. It's overgrown quite a bit. Roof is worse for wear. We can fix that though. There's a few trees here that probably need to be trimmed up. Get rid of some dangerous limbs. There's a lot of old barn back here. Looks like a garage slash barn. We'll check that out in a minute and see what we got going on over there. There's still power to the building. That's a good sign. So, yeah, that's a good sign there. So we can probably get the power turned on. Looks like they had Dish Network or DirecTV. We got a little bit of rot on the outside, but these are things to be expected. Nothing that we can't take care of. Oh, so we have this big scary sign that says that it's in violation of ordinances. Well, we're going to be taking care of that. Yeah, so on this side here, looks like we have some damage. Some porch is kind of falling off, and well, like I said, nothing we can't deal with. And of course, let's see here. Yep, it's all locked up. Haven't found an open door yet. Don't have keys. These kind of deals don't come with keys, so you just have to take what you can get. We've got a lot of bad rotten wood there. You can see there, it's all rotten. That'll have to be taken care of. Nothing but a thing. Of course, this kind of scares me. All this stuff here, this is indicative of being really wet, but that's all right. Nothing that we can't take care of. We'll clean it up, open it up, give it a little bit of sunshine. It'll be well. Now, it just looks back here. You can see that's open on the back side of the barn slash garage. A lot of overgrowth, trees, some missing broken windows. They had window units in here. We may have to do something different. Looks like they had gas. I don't really like gas, although it's more efficient. If you do something like that and you rent it out, I just don't like it. Burn your place down too easy. Yeah, this old garage slash barn, it looks like it's worse for wear. It's got some good siding on it though. We can probably repurpose the siding to fix the house where there's rotten wood on the house. So we'll just use this, and we'll probably end up tearing this down. It's just probably too far gone. Yes, as you can tell, see, it's all on grade here and everything is rotted out. It's really in bad shape. Not much hope here. There's some good lumber here, some 2x6s up here in the roof. Those will be good for some framing, blocking if we need to. A lot of good siding there, can replace all that damaged siding on the house. So I think we're going to be in good shape with the siding. Not sure what's in these rooms, but it's probably going to be too dark to really see anything. Not much in there. Just an empty room. Looks like they vacated everything out. Probably was just some storage at one time. Not sure I'd store anything in here now. It probably wouldn't last very long. Okay, we managed to get in. Pushed this piece of plywood loose and reached in and unlocked the door. We got all kinds of furniture, old windows. Yes, you can see that this is in some rough shape. It's a little dark in here, but not terrible. Something we can work with. See what we have here. We've got a living room that is way too dark. We can't really see much in here, but it's rather dark. Lots of stuff just laying around that was in here. It's abandoned, or Old roll top desk. Not sure what condition it's in. Just loads and loads of stuff that we'll end up taking out of here. One of the bedrooms. Got lots of garbage in here. Ceilings are kind of low, but it's not something that we can't deal with. It's an old closet. Looks like that might have been part of a bedroom at one time. Not sure. We'll figure it out. Interesting bathroom. This has definitely got to change here. We'll have to get together and figure out what we're going to do here, but this is certainly not going to work. Old gas. Certainly have to do away with that. Another bedroom here. Can't see much. Interesting. Old television of some sort. Singing machine. Karaoke. Maybe we'll do some karaoke. Lots of stuff just laying around. Lots of damage. Looks like the squirrels have had a field day in here with the pecans. But that's okay, we can deal with that. And who knows what this is, but there is a water spigot in the closet. Already have low ceilings, and this is even lower. Well, we'll figure out what we're going to do with it. Well, like I figured, there is a lot of work to be done here. You couldn't see much on the inside from the videos because it's a little dark in there. It's getting kind of late in the afternoon. It's overcast, but yeah, you can see above my head here where the ceiling's all rotted out in the porch, so this definitely has to go. But it's not anything we can't deal with. We'll probably be doing some interesting design work with it, and hopefully you'll stick with me again, and we'll see where it leads.